Just wanted to hop on here to show you guys what the BlondMe Toners look like when they're processing, or as you also know, another word for that is when they're oxidizing. They may look a little bit scary because they all have tone directions to the toners to help cancel out or neutralize or harmonize some of the warmth that is exposed when lifted. Like rinsed out, you can see that ice is a lot less purple and a lot less scary after you rinse it out, but it needs that violet and that ash, the cendré to neutralize that warmth that's lifted. And then you have your nugget, which I think is so pretty. Of course, this is on a level 9 mannequin. So on a client, you know, who's between level 5 to 8, that 6 is going to be really rich. And then we have Biscuit, which is another one of my favorite tones. It's just so creamy, so beautiful. But again, it has that beige violet tone direction there. It's very pretty. So then for strawberry, it's not as pink after you rinse it. It's quite beautiful. So I hope that helps you.